All right, buddy, where are we at?
At my tree farm.
At your tree farm? What are we gonna do today?
Hunt.
Hunt? Are we gonna pick some pears?
Yes.
Are we gonna put some trail cameras out?
Yes.
Are we gonna have fun?
Yes.
All right, high five.
Daddy, then back.
Oh.
Now I'm going to forward.
We're going in the forest?
Huh. Take adventure.
All right, let's go on an adventure. Hold on.
Daddy, pears here.
The pears are on the other side of the farm. We're gonna do the trail cameras first and then the pears. We got work to do, don't we? You see the persimmons?
Oh,
They're not quite ready.
Not yet. I touched it.
Yeah, you can touch it.
Here we did.
Here, let's pull it just a little closer.
Oh.
Not quite ready.
But I just play hide and seek.
Oh, we can play hide and seek on the farm all day long. Took a picture.
Huh?
The camera just took a picture of Mommy and Archer. Alright, come here, buddy. Here's Sawyer. I need your help.
Okay.
Alright, pull this string right here. You pull it? Keep pulling. Pull, 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 pull. Good job, buddy. Keep pulling. You got it. Alright. Now we gotta dump it. You pull this back in. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Good job.
Okay, let it out.
Yep, that's good. That works. Perfect. Thanks, buddy. All right, on to the next one.
Super fast.
Super fast. You see all this? All these deer greens? That's what the deer eat.
It's monkey tail.
Monkeys?
Huh? Monkey feeling.
I hadn't seen any monkeys today, have you?
Yeah.
You have?
In the tree. It's like over there, pointy at it.
Right.
Don't have it.
You love them?
Look! Look, Daddy! What is that?
I see it, buddy. But we're going to move this camera a little bit so it'll reach.
Look at that!
What is that thing?
It's tail. It's tail. I want to roll it down.
I don't know.
I can push my cup.
Well, ask Dad if he wants it up.
Dad, I gotta roll that up.
No, it's okay on its side right now. Can you pull this? The string, keep pulling it. Keep pulling. Good job. Keep pulling. That's how you take the bag. That's how you open the bag, buddy. All right, we're gonna dump it. Can you help me pull it up? Is that good? Good job. Thank you, buddy. Yep, that'll work. All right, my main man. Let's rock and roll to the next spot.
Dad, we make that for.
That's right. Beep, beep, beep. All right. Forward.
No.
Turn, keep turning. Keep turning. All right, I need your help. Can you tell me when we get to the next trail camera so I can pick it up? if you see the next trail camera, tell Dad to stop. And we'll pick it up. Deal? Alright.
Yeah, stop! Daddy, stop! See this one.
Oh, you see it? Let's go up a little bit further. So we can grab it.
We good well, we got burnt corn out.
Well, we have to move this one.
Corn there.
We're moving it around a little bit. Okay, can you help me?
It's down.
Okay. Put it back there.
One.
This way. Keep turning. Turn it one more. Good job. All right, away we go. Say, let's hit the road.
Pedal to the metal.
Pedal to the metal, Dad. Okay.
Yeah, I help her.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta take this camera and take a picture. All right. Take it back. Thanks, buddy.
I'm keeping it.
Yep. Keep it steady.
Yeah, okay, let's do it for corn.
All right. Now we gotta get this camera. Swap it out.
So what next one? That one's the next one is that.
All right, next place we're going to is called Whispering Hills. You say Whispering Hills?
See, I see one.
It is.
I saw me. We had two wedges. See how we have three wedges left.
Right. Look, we're about to go through a mud puddle. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Oh, we made it. Hang on when Dad's driving, don't you, buddy? Then we gotta go grab another bag of corn and go to another spot.
Can I get help?
Yeah, I do need some help, buddy. Let's see. Come on, it won't get too wet. You see how wet it is down there?
Yeah.
It's really muddy.
But we looking for food, but we do.
Yeah, we can.
I do. And the mountain too.
That's right.
I mean, this kind of flat.
Uh-huh.
And the activator.
All right, let's see if we see any deer tracks. These are tractor tracks. You see any deer tracks? Oh, look. What do you see right here, buddy?
Huh.
Oh, wait, look down here. Look right there by my foot. What is that?
A different.
Deer track, yeah. Oh, look right here. What kind of tracks are these?
No.
That's a raccoon.
Hmm.
Got deer and raccoons down here. Let's put it right here.
We know more that. You know what? Now look about our foot.
What do you see?
It's a silver foot.
Another deer track, isn't it? All right, pull it, buddy. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Keep pulling it. That's your fourth time today. You're doing really good.
Looks good.
But that's there.
All right, then we count to 6. We do 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. Just in case. Let's do it. We gotta go get another. We gotta get one more bag of corn from the shop, buddy. I need your help.
Is that going to help hold it? All right, that good? All right, let's go.
What? Get all this dirt. And that is just floating away.
Okay.
Take us back.
Archer, you're driving us backwards?
He had a remote control.
He has a remote control?
Uh-huh.
That's kind of cool.
It's so awesome of a camera.
Mm-hmm.
I don't get the cord, extra cord. Can I get the cord? Get them. I get my get them. Oh, help me.
Let me know if you need any help.
Huh?
Let me know if you need any help.
And help.
Okay.
Huh.
Alright, I'll get the top and you get the bottom, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3. You got it?
And then this side.
Okay.
Look at that, look at that. Look at that.
Let's see that.
Are you helping?
Keep helping. You using your muscles? 1, 2, 3.
Now look. Daddy, look.
What?
It's a stall. A new one.
A new what?
Look, it's a new stall. So we're wet. It's gonna sweat you.
Wow.
That stall. The old stall. I'm gonna try to eat this. I'm gonna try to eat it.
Oh, that's your saw? Okay.
So the old stall. Oh,
Does it work?
no.
You want to help, buddy? Help
Huh?
Dad do this.
I want to help.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, you know what to do.
I'll do an under.
Get this string right here. Do the string. Keep pulling, keep pulling. Wow, you're strong. Keep pulling. Good job.
Woo.
Pull it. Good job. Alright, let's load up and go get some pears, buddy.
Daddy, we have one more. Daddy, I need one more.
The last camera is at the carriage house.
Last. Oh.
Is it windy, buddy?
Yeah, I just.
Is it windy, Archer boy?
Oh, Archer wants to get one.
Here.
Good job.
Daddy, I
It's like a ball.
I got pear, I got one.
That's where you went for that one.
Can you get it, buddy?
Get it.
Pull, 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 pull. Pull, pull. Oh, there you go.
Oh, another one.
You want it? You got it, buddy? All right, put it in the bag, buddy. Oh, he's smiling. You like that?
He knows this is most of the food he eats.
Is that what you eat, buddy? All right, you want to grab one? Yep. 1, 2. All right, I'll grab it. 3. All right, there's some more. 4. Grab this one. 5.
That's really fun.
Yeah. Good. 10. Some right here, right beside you. 11. Oh, there's a bee. Yeah.
Those fingers.
10, 11,
Sawyer, look at this one stuck in the tree.
12. Look at that one. Is that cool? It's got a bee on it. We'll leave that one there.
Look at all those pears.
So you push this button, then you pull it out. Keep pulling it. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stop. Got it? Well, we don't want to pull it around that tree because that's a good pear tree. We don't want to hurt it. But isn't that cool? All right, here's what I want you to do now. I need you to do this one. I want you to come here and push this button that says in. This button says out. And this button says in. Can you push the in one? Let's push it. Keep pushing it.
You gotta
hold it down.
You gotta hold it down.
Good job. Keep holding it, farmer. Keep going. Stop! Stop! Okay.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Now you know how to tow something.
See all the clover in here? Deary clover. And you see all these trees right here? They're plums. These are plum trees. What's that yellow flower?
Sunflower.
Sunflowers? That's closest. Goldenrod. Oh, look, a butterfly. Is that good?
That's perfect, thank you.
All right, Sawyer. I found one Happy might like. All right, I want you to hold this one.
No.
Oh, they're beautiful flowers.
Daddy says hunting season.
Archer likes it too.
Yeah, buddy, it is hunting season.
I go hunting.
You going hunting? Cool.
All right, let's get ready to go.